most of our major software delivery is software as a service, so third-party vendors. So our agile capability is very much geared around smaller projects that are being developed in-house. So we are really early in that journey. So the big challenge at the moment is not just automation, but the cultural shift around how the teams are working together and how we embed testing within the agile cycle. So for example, I quite often hear we're doing agile, but then we've got a totally separate sprint where we're tackling testing. So it's that cultural shift between the development and testers as to how we're going to test. And then we're just starting to look at automation now. And some fairly embedded tool sets. So we're very much a Microsoft tool shop. So our tool set by default is that suite. So Visual Studio, Test Professional, MTM. So that is the route we're going, given where we are, and looking at supplementing that with the likes of Selenium. In terms of testing, my vision is not just to look at automating test execution, which is where we're focusing, but we are, as a team, we are very much focused on supporting the business and the business testing. So what I am really keen to drive is not just automation execution, but the full automation across the testing life cycle. So we're about to embark on a proof of concept around model-based testing, and how we can drive the test design and automate that area of it, which will then feed into our current tool set, Selenium and Visual Studio Test Professional. So quite exciting, actually, I think, that one for me, because if we've got a lot of business knowledge within the team, so if we can help build that relationship with the business, I think we can standardize how testing's been done across the different business functional areas, which could really deliver huge value. Because most of our software is not developed in-house, then test-driven development isn't a big issue for me. We are very much looking at automating the end-to-end testing and integration testing. So yes, we're focusing on BDD, but TDD is not so big for us. Our focus very much at the moment, well, I suppose two focuses. Operational excellence is a big thing for the organisation. So how do we do things more efficiently? So in that context, the automation is on improving current processes. The other big driver is speed to market. And so the major programs, project change deliveries, as to how we deliver those cheaper, faster, better. Usual challenges, really. Yeah.